Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to another kit lineup video, this time for the month of November. Can we believe we are pulling kits for November? Like, how is it December in like a month? What is happening? So, my two little disclaimers before I get started is number one, my daughter Bayla is playing in the room with me. You may hear her. She is living her best life and I'm never going to apologise for that. Number two, we do also have a Tyler in today, but this is the only time I have to film this video because it's coming out tomorrow and I don't know when the Tyler is going to be finished, so we're just going to go with it. So I apologise if you do hear him. And that's it for my little disclaimers, so let's get into the kits. As you can see, this is the first one, and this is for the week of the 3rd of November. There's nothing particularly special happening this week, so we're just going with an autumnal kit. And this is the July 2025 mystery from Plannerface, which is one of Anna's favourite mysteries she's ever done, and you can see why. I'm obsessed with this cat, like, it is everything to me. So these are your 8 full boxes. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly to save 10%. It's not valid on the mystery, but it is valid on most other things. So there we have the second page with the extra boxes and sidebar stuff. You've got your boxes page. Look at those colours, it's just like quintessential autumn, isn't it? Your littles, ombre heart check boxes, flags and third boxes. Your bottom washi including the little thin strip, extra little things and your date covers. Then we have all the add-ons. So the first add-on is the 15mm, which of course I always use. Then we have alternate skin and hair tones, which Anna always includes for free, and she even includes it if it's just literally a tiny bit of skin, because representation matters. Anna is the best for that. Then we have the toolbox, which is this gorgeous hair girl with the really curly hair. I love that. Then we have the deco sheet, so this is your glitter deco and your icons, as well as a weekend banner. We have the box add-on, which has my favourite add-on, of course, and then we have the mystery add-on, which has this second other double box scene of the living room, and I am obsessed, as well as more scripts and icons. And that is the kit. Absolutely stunning. So then foil wise, I couldn't not go quintessential autumn and stick with fall leaves, autumn leaves, and again this is Plannerface and this is gold foil. You can just hear Bayla happily playing, it's quite cute, the drilling or cutting of tiles or whatever, if you can hear that, not so cute. Anyway, so this is your boxes page, your 4 boxes page with your glitter headers. You have your underlays there, and then your bottom washi scripts, date dots and toolbox there. Then I am pulling in some red foil into this, so I have pulled in this sheet I have from Lily Blossom Designs with autumn quotes, just because why not, yeah. And then underlay wise we have a bit of a mix. So first up we have these paint splatters in red, because basically I'm trying to use up my stash, and then we will deal with anything else next year. But basically these are in red foil, which I wanted to pull some red foil into this, and I have just layered the gold from the foil bundle on top of that, so that will be half my underlays, and then the other half are going to be these rose gold / I think it's actually copper looking at it, underlays in grid with red dot foil on top, and that red dot foil there is from Scribble Prints Co. So yeah, we will switch between so each day we'll have one of these two combos on it, so I think that will look really cute. So we do have the red there as well. So the vision is there with the leaf foil and the full box crates, and of course the kit. So that is our vision. Very excited for that. Next up we have another Plannerface mystery, and this is for the week of the 10th of November, and this is last year's autumn mystery, which was August 2024, and this is lilac fall, and I am obsessed with this. Purple is one of my favourite colours, so of course I'm going to love this. And again, autumn kit, we have a cat, I'm here for it. Gorgeous living room scene there, and obviously you've got 3 purples and the green, and this like reminds me of old time Plannerface anniversary kits, because she always used to do purple and green for her anniversary kits. This is an old format, as you can see here, but that's absolutely fine. It's similar but not the same, as you can see. We have the 15mm add-on, your extra skin tones and hair colours and And we have some half box size ones as well, which I think is a really nice addition. We have the old glitter add-on, this no longer exists, the box add-on, and the mystery add-on, rather than being a double box, has 2 more standard full boxes there. I am sticking with purple foil because I couldn't not pull purple into this kit. It is a different shade of purple, it's a more bluey purple than the ones in the kit, but it is more purple than it's looking in the camera right now. It is definitely purple, not blue. So yeah, I've got the full boxes, bougie, script and icon page, and the bottom washi page, and it is definitely looking very blue in this light, but it is definitely purple, I promise. And then I'm also going to use this gold grid as well from Scribble Prints Co with the bougie over the top. So again, it's a nice little simple vision, but I'm excited for it. I am very excited for when I have used up more of my foil collection and can just start making foil bundles specifically for kits and weeks. I'm very here for that. The next week, the week of the 17th, I don't actually have the kit for. I am going to be using the Wicked kit from Cafe with Anna, who is a wonderful, wonderful shop and YouTuber. So make sure to go and check out her channel because obviously Wicked is coming out this week. So in the I will pop the photos of the full boxes and also the full kit format over this little bit of talking that I have been doing. Fully recommend Cafe with Anna, but it is in my American wall box at the moment and not here with me. And because it's Wicked, I am using a mixture of green and pink foil because I couldn't not. So first up we have a green foil bundle in confetti, again from Scribble Prints Co. It is like a lime green. I haven't seen this with the kit, so this plan may change, but that is the green. Okay, and then for the pink I have rose. So this is lots and lots of bits of leftovers, but I think that will work well with the full green foil bundle to not like have far too much. Lots and lots of sheets of that there. Whoops, I've missed one here. And then underlay wise, I am also going to pull in an eclectic mix of these champagne lights bougie pages that she did with the lots of different styles of bougie. Bayla, please don't eat this sticker kit. And I will just pull in however many of these I need, and I'll probably layer them with some of the pink and green as well. So obviously don't have the kit, but I am excited for this little combo. And then last but certainly not least, we have the week of the 24th, and we are going into Christmas kits. And again, this is a Plannerface kit. This is from the Advent last year. So we have Christmas Magic, which is absolutely stunning. It's not necessarily the sort of kit I would normally have gone for, but I love that about mystery kits and things. I just love that I get to use a different mix of things in my planner. Look at those lights. Oh, got the alternate skin tones, your toolboxes, the box add-on, and you did get the mystery add-on with this, but a slightly different format without the scripts. So that is the kit, and we do also have, I don't know why everything is in such a weird order, the 15mm washi add-on, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have the foil bundle we are using, which is this one here. Everything is in such a rubbish order. So this is Mistletoe by Caress Press. I think this is an old format one, so we only have 8 full boxes. Oh no, it's not, it's new format. So absolutely stunning. Yeah, the script and icon, the bottom washi with the bows, they were Bayla's very cute little sneezes. Then we have the underlays, so we have the bougie, and then I'm pairing it with terrazzo in silver on top of the matte bronze, and I think that is just such a vibe for with this kit. Got the terrazzo, the bougie, the foil bundle, and the kit there, and that is the vision for the week of the 24th. Now we're going to very quickly go over the kits for my off-camera planner, starting again back with the week of the 3rd, and this is a Caress Press kit called Goth Doll, and this is from September last year. Bayla is a little bit unsettled, so she is having a good cuddle with me, so you might just see her hands and things come into the screen, but yeah, I thought, why not, basically. That is my reasoning for using this kit, is why not. We have some extra toolboxes. This is far too much for my off-camera planner, but it is what it is. And then I am just putting in a black confetti foil bundle for with it. So I've got the full boxes, the bougie, script and icon, and the bottom washi there. And that is for the week of the 3rd in my off-camera planner. As I said, Goth Doll from Caress Press. Next up we have the week of the 10th, and I'm going a bit more autumnal with fantasy. This is by Plannerface with art by Knish Jess, which is absolutely stunning. I just think the fantasy book vibes definitely give me autumnal vibes. I don't know why the pages are in this order, but they are. I think this is absolutely stunning for autumn, and also I'll try and do some fantasy reading this week just to give it a bit of a mix. I am in a bit of a reading slump at the filming of this video, which is upsetting, but hopefully it will get better. So that is the kit, and then I'm just keeping it simple with rose gold sparkle foil from Plannerface. So again, got your 2 pages of 4 boxes, your bougie ×2, and your scripts, bottom washi and date dots there. So that's for the week of the 10th in my off-camera planner. Next up, for the week of the 17th in my off-camera planner, we have the August 2025 mystery, which is this kind of Wicked inspired but not shopping kit, which is super cute, and I love all the little tiny nods to Wicked there are without it being too obvious. So again, I'm using this to celebrate Wicked coming out, even though we're probably not going to see Wicked. Oh, you found your ball to play with. Is that a really fun toy? It's a bit of a loud toy though, isn't it? Oh dear. We've got our bottom washi, we've got the toolboxes, alternate skin and hair colours. You can see how generous Anna is in making sure she includes everything. And we have the pink and the green, and I might again do what I did last year and have 1 page pink, 1 page green, because it looked absolutely stunning last year. And then we have the box add-on and the mystery add-on as well. Then we have the heart foil bundle from Plannerface in gold, basically because I felt like this kit needed gold, and this was one of the only gold foiled foil bundles I had. So got bottom washi, the 4 boxes, sorry, the bougie with your icons, and your bottom washi and scripts and toolbox. So as usual, absolutely stunning mystery kit from Anna of Plannerface. And then last but not least, we have a Christmas kit in this planner for the week of the 24th. And this is Mistletoe by Linda Designs. I did get this as a printable, so I love this. I think the dark colour, the dark green, is a really nice addition to this kit. As I say, this is a printable, so any errors are mine, not due to Lynn's. So there we have 4 boxes. I also have the icons. I've got the patterned boxes, 15mm add-on, the bottom washi, and then I am using the snow foil bundle in gold. I don't love to use the same colour foil 2 weeks in a row, but it is what it is. So this is from Plannerface, and this is the snow foil bundle in gold. So again, same format. We've used quite a lot of Plannerface foil bundles this month. So we have the 4 boxes, the bougie and icons, and the bottom washi and scripts and date dots there. Okay, so that is it for my kits for this month. We have 5 Plannerface kits, 1 Cafe with Anna, 1 Linda Designs, and 1 Caress Press. I'm very excited. Let me know if we're twinning on any of these weeks. Comment, like down below, all that kind of jazz. Let me know when you're starting Christmas in your planner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Abu, 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 abu. Oh yes, oh yes.